after Gujarat, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh battling flood fury, 26 NDRF teams are now being deployed for flood relief and rescue operations in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Torrential rainfall continues to wreak havoc across Telangana and Andhra. 19 deaths have been reported so far in both states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Relentless rainfalls causing rivers to swell, leading to flood-like situation in low-lying areas. In fact, in Vijayawada, power boats were pressed into action after streets were flooded. Residents had to wade through flooded waters. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, visited himself some of the flood-affected areas, taking stock of the situation. Teams are now carrying out rescue operations in worst-hit regions. In Telangana's Khammam, railway authorities have begun track restoration efforts near Mahbubabad railway station after floodwaters caused significant damage to the rail line connecting Warangal and Khammam. Prime Minister Modi has also spoken to the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and Revanth Reddy of Telangana, assuring all possible help from both the centre to both states in this hour of crisis.
We're here at the Varadi Bridge connecting between Vijayawada and Tadipalli, and this is the situation on ground with the water levels that have increasingly risen over the last couple of days. Entire low-lying areas in and around this area here has been completely inundated with water. Several people had to abandon their houses as well as water kept increasing and coming into these areas. In fact, we're also getting to learn that rescue operations are underway, and NDRF teams have come in across various locations trying to help people those are in need, not only over here but also across various districts. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu is also taking stock of the situation. In fact, he has also been on the ground, visited several low-lying areas and has been trying to see what kind of help and assistance can be provided to the people, be it food, water or any kind of medical assistance that is needed. The state has also put out helpline numbers for people to contact, those in need of medical or any other sort of emergency, and calls have been continuously pouring in these helpline numbers that have been given. As the state continues to fall back on what has been going on in these rains, as several areas lie inundated and people waiting for help and rescue in several areas, this remains to be the condition, as luckily over the last 24 hours there hasn't been heavy rains in and across various districts here in Andhra Pradesh. With video journalist Prasad, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today.
ఇప్పుడే నీళ్లు ఇంకా రిసీడ్ కాలేదు ఉన్నాయి. ఎంత కూడా మేము ఇవ్వాల్సిన ఫుడ్ పాకెట్స్ కానీ అవన్నీ వెళ్తున్నాయి. ఇంకా ముమ్మరం చేస్తున్నాం. ట్రాఫిక్ కూడా కంజెషన్ ఉంది, అన్ని రెగ్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. చివరి ప్రాంతానికి కూడా వెళ్లాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. కొంతమంది పేషెంట్ కూడా ఉన్నారు, పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు, కొంతమంది ముసలోళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు కూడా తీసుకురావాలి. ఎవరు కూడా పానిక్ రియాక్షన్ అవసరం లేదు. అందరూ ఓపిక పట్టండి. 1 గంట 2 గంటల్లో అందరం ఓపికగా ఉంటే ఇంకా తొందరగా పనులు అవుతాయి. అన్ని చేస్తారని అప్పీల్ చేస్తున్నా. ఇక్కడే ఉంటా, కంట్రోల్ రూమ్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఎంతవరకు చేయగలుగుతామో అన్ని చేసి అందరిని ఆదుకుంటాం.